The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 264, effective until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Vermilion, Will and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Newton, and Pulaski. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time.